I figured that's what it was, dude. That's so dumb, though.
For him to carry a whole.
I've been like this before. I've been like this before. I've been like.
Wow, wow, wow. It's crazy how things go like that. Called a bunch of places. Didn't try hard enough trying to figure out that it was the stupid screw on the trim that everybody has problems with. It caused me the problems at the Champs Tour. There would have been nothing I would have been able to do that day. You know, we could only go 38 miles an hour. Made it pretty tough. I gotta say, I was down in dumps pretty bad. We had our 2-day hometown event. Big one for the people here in Chisago. Frankie's Marine one. And it's pretty down in the dumps. Just having problems trying to find somebody to look at the motor. But Kyle coming in huge, helping me out with that. And we're back in business. We're at the South Center boat launch to try to get a little bit of practice in here tonight, because I'm not going to get too much practice in. We had some work stuff to do a little bit this weekend, so fishing, baby, fishing. Check this out, I just caught that one. Solid fish, but it's got a drop shot still in there and a cull beam mark on it. How crazy is that? Evening. We're just getting out here for a quick little session, checking out a couple places before I bring my buddy Ryan out tomorrow night. So hopefully we catch a couple. Giants, as you can see, giants. A lot of fish like just busting out here. There just must be blowing up bait, but I'm not seeing too many fish out deep, so that's unfortunate. This one kind of surprised me, but we got away from the rocks and got into some weeds. A little scrapper, but it's something. Just what I figured when they bite like that when you're reeling in. One of these little guys. Not a giant, but it's an okay one. After a night like that, you can guess how the next night went. Here's my buddy Ryan. Yeah.
Not by much.
Yeah. Capturing. There you go. That guy's got it good. Yikes. I don't know what's up with me and boat ramps, but here I am, sitting here trying to not lose my cool. But I also fish whole lunch and use boat launch a lot. Not good. Here we go. We're actually up in the North Country for work here. We're just checking out some cool areas for shore fishing. Check out behind me. I'm actually in Ely, Minnesota. We're staying at a cool little place down the road. I just had to stop here. There's a trail. Looked like some fishing right here. And checking it out. Brought the rod, brought the backpack. So, more next. When you're on the road for work, you get a little fishing in. Look at that little guy. See you. How cool was that? I've actually kind of been enjoying this, doing this the last couple times I had to go out and work and get up north for work, is checking out places that you can get, just do a little shore casting. It's kind of been refreshing this year. So hopefully I'll get another one next. I was about ready to leave. I had to stick around for a while longer. Here we go, quaint little place, Silver Rapids Lodge. It's a little older, but it's actually got a couch, full kitchen, refrigerator, microwave. Pretty cool. Oof. Well, that was interesting. Cool dock system though, huh? And this dock's slightly tippy. Oof. Can't tell. And this one. The rapids and stuff. You just missed it. Just had a smallmouth flung up. Bit my jig super far. So we had a bite right away, but I never got the hook into him right. I was all surprised. But that was only the first cast. Here we go. We got underneath the bridge right here. See if there's a little better action down here. Kind of a cool spot. Oh, we lost it. Dang it. Pretty sure that was a bite. Sure that was a bite. Dang it. Let's try that again. So much stretch in this line. There we go, picking up trash too. Because that's always good. Thanks to that person for throwing their beer can in there. Bring this with us to the... toss that in the garbage. Here we go. We're on our way. We're just walking down a trail to try some more shore fishing. We'll see if we can get a couple. It's about a mile back here, it says. I honestly don't even know if you can fish back here, but it says there's some rapids, which is kind of what we're looking for. Most places we've been was, I don't know. It was just fishing on the shore, and we need a little moving water. See, get stuff going, a little more aggressive fishing that moving water. So we'll update you how it goes. Look at that, look how cool that is. And you got these rock walls. Well, we'll take it. No more smallmouth, but we got a little pike at least. And that was the week. Huge thank you to Kyle for helping me out, giving me peace of mind after that, getting the boat together for the Frankie's tournament coming up. And just a good time just bank fishing, getting out a little bit after work since I was up north. So that was cool to explore a little bit, try some things off the bank. We caught a couple with that rod we got a while ago. So looking forward to our 2-day local tournament coming up, and good luck to Kyle up at Leech Lake. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.